Hello, welcome back to Today's recipe is a squid pepper roast. Make sure you watch till the end to learn how to clean the squid. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Into the hot oil, add in 2 tablespoons chopped ginger and garlic. Now fry this till it turns brown. Then add in 2 green chilies chopped and fry the green chilies also. Now add 2 medium-sized onions sliced and saute till the onion turns little bit soft. Now we have to add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder and salt for taste. I am adding half teaspoon salt here. Now saute till the masalas are cooked. Now we have to add 2 small tomatoes chopped and then fry till the tomatoes are cooked nicely. Now it's the time to add in the squid. I am using 500 grams of squid here. Mix the squid so that the masala reaches every corner. We need not add any water as the squid will start releasing water into it. Now we have to cover this and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Make sure you stir in between. After 10 minutes we can see that the squid is cooked. Now give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar also to this. Now stir and cook till the water is reduced. Spicy squid pepper roast is ready to serve. Now let us go ahead and see how to clean the squid. So the first step is to remove the outer skin. These 2 wings can be eaten, so we'll keep this aside. Now cut the main body part. Don't give a deep cut. Now remove this one. Detach the head portion. These can be eaten, so we are keeping it aside. We have to remove the head portion. You can see that the teeth is also there, so this cannot be eaten, so we'll remove it. Rest of the portion can be eaten. Remove that part also. Now nicely clean it and cut it into your favorite shape. So that's it guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more such videos. Make sure you try the recipe and let us know in the comments. Thank you.